Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into an in-depth review of the 2025 Genesis G90. This luxury sedan has been turning heads, and we're here to see if it lives up to the hype. Let's start with the interior. The 2025 Genesis G90 offers a truly luxurious experience. The cabin is adorned with high-quality materials, including Napa leather upholstery and real wood trim. The seats are incredibly comfortable, with both heating and cooling functions, and the rear seats even offer a massage feature. The infotainment system is top-notch, featuring a large touchscreen with intuitive controls, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and a premium sound system that delivers crystal-clear audio. The ambient lighting adds a touch of elegance, making nighttime drives feel special. Moving on to the exterior, the Genesis G90 boasts a sleek and sophisticated design. The front grille is bold and distinctive, flanked by sharp LED headlights that give the car a commanding presence on the road. The smooth lines and aerodynamic shape not only enhance its visual appeal, but also contribute to better fuel efficiency. The 20-inch alloy wheels add a sporty touch, while the overall design exudes a sense of luxury and refinement. Now let's talk about performance. The 2025 Genesis G90 comes with two engine options. The standard model features a 3.5-liter twin-turbo V6 engine that produces 375 horsepower and 391 lb-ft of torque. For those seeking more power, there is an available 3.5-liter twin-turbo V6 with an electric supercharger, boosting the output to 409 horsepower and 405 lb-ft of torque. Both engines are paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission and all-wheel drive, ensuring smooth and responsive handling. The ride quality is exceptional, with a suspension system that absorbs bumps and provides a comfortable driving experience. The G90 accelerates from 0 to 60 mph in just 5.4 seconds, making it one of the freaker luxury sedans in its class. When it comes to pricing, the 2025 Genesis G90 starts at around $89,700 for the base model with the standard engine. If you opt for the more powerful engine with the electric supercharger, the price goes up to approximately $100,000. While it's not cheap, the G90 offers a lot of value for the money, especially when compared to its German rivals. That's it for our detailed review of the 2025 Genesis G90. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more car reviews and automotive content. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.